squats, let's go. Stay low. Yeah, come on. There's 8 of them. Find your way through this, however you can manage.
You already know what's coming. Bring it together. Down the line, face that way. Go around. Reaction squat. I don't think any of us would rather be dry right now.
Core power sets you up for everyday life. When you're strong in your midsection, your legs can lift heavier weight. A cross shuffle. Do it again. Woo. Come on. Let's fly high. Fast feet, fast feet. There's 8.